In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your account, how to fund your Veritas Vault account, and how you get your referral link. So the way we're going to start is this is a web extension from MetaMask, as you can see up here. So the first steps are you want to open up your MetaMask. Okay, what I'm going to do is actually add an account. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead because the BNB is not available at this moment. I'm going to click the Ethereum account. Okay, I'm going to name it. So I'll just call this Veritas Vault, V-A-U-L-T. You can name your accounts. Okay, I'm going to add the account. Okay, so as you can see here now, Veritas Vault is account has been added. I've got a wallet address to go with the account. Now, the next thing we're going to want to do is just make sure that the network is enabled to the Binance Smart Chain, because that's where the Veritas Vault, or the VVA, is on the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to click where it says Enabled Networks. Okay, and of course this one's automatically clicked. If it was not, you would want to click it. And in this case, I don't need the Ethereum mainnet, so I'm just going to turn that one off and just be on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, and then so I'm going to go here. As you can see now, it says Binance Smart Chain. I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, the next thing I'm going to want to do is import the DAI stablecoin on the Binance Smart Chain. And in order to do that, these three little dots you see right here, okay, you're going to click them. Import tokens. You're going to import a token. Again, it's already on the right smart chain, so I'm going to type in DAI. DAI stablecoin is what I want to select. Now, depends on which wallet you use. The DAI may say pegged BNB, different terminology, but just make sure it's on the BNB, which is that little icon, which is the gold with the line heads in it, right? I'm going to click next. I'm going to click import. So now I have the DAI stablecoin, I have BNB. The BNB is going to be for our gas fees, okay? That's gas fees, and this is the stablecoin that's paired with the VVA that we're gonna swap in order to get the VVA. Now, two more tokens that has to be imported, okay? And those you're gonna have to get from your whoever referred you, okay? And that's the SVVA and the VVA token, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy the SVVA, and we're going to go back to my MetaMask. I'm going to go again, three dots. I'm going to import a token. This time, I'm going to import a custom token. I'm going to select my network. It's going to be the Binance Smart Chain. And then I'm going to paste my token in there. And now you see it says SVVA, right? I'm going to go next. I'm going to import. And now I have the SVVA, which is the stake VVA token. The second is the VVA token, which I'm going to copy this one now. So these are two custom tokens you're going to want to import into your wallet. Okay, now again, I'm going to click the three dots, import a token. I want a custom token, select the network, Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to paste the token in there. Now you see where it says VVA. I'm going to click next. Then I'm going to import the VVA token. Now I have my DAI stablecoin, which is what I'm going to swap for my VVA. I have my SVVA and my VVA, which will be reflective what's in my Veritas Vault. And then the BNB is a gas fee. Okay. So the next steps now, what we're going to want to do is we are going to need to add two things. We're going to need BNB, and then we're going to need DAI stablecoin. Okay. So let's load the wallet up with some BNB and some DAI stablecoin. Okay, now you can see we've added $10 worth of BNB for the gas fee. Next step, let's add some DAI stablecoin to the wallet. Okay, so now, as you can see, we added 125 DAI stablecoin, which we're going to swap for VVA. We've added $10 BNB for gas fees. Okay, so these are the first steps. Okay, so if you're going to start with a minimum of 100, you will need at least 125, because there is a 5% slippage fee once we connect the Veritas Vault app to our MetaMask. Okay, so these are the first steps. You want DAI stablecoin, the amount you want to stake minus 5%. So always add a little extra. BNB for gas fee, import the SVVA token and the VVA token. All right, next steps. Let's get your referral link and get disconnected. So what you're going to want to do is get their referral link. I'm going to copy it. Okay, and I'm going to paste it right here in the address. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to come to Veritas Vault. Now, one thing I will show you, you see this, your refers link right here. See how it ends in FF54 right here, user, and then an FF54 personally invites you to Veritas Vault. Always make sure the refers link that they gave you, right? This is their wallet address. Just make sure it matches with the person that invites you wallet's address, right? So you see that there? And then you don't have an invitation link here. So now the next step you're going to do is connect your wallet. So we're going to click connect wallet, MetaMask in this case, and then pop-up's going to show and it's going to say connect, and I'm going to connect it. Okay, now I'm connected to my wallet, as you can see here. And if I scroll down, you'll see my invitation link now has my wallet address in it that I just connected to, which we just funded with the DAI and the BNB. Okay, so now we're connected. Once you're connected and everything is verified, this is your sponsor's wallet address. This is your invitation link. And right here, you see it's connected to that wallet. Okay, we're going to go to buy VVA. Okay, so as you can see right here, there's a balance of 125 DAI in my wallet because that's what we deposited, if you recall. Okay, so I'm going to swap now that DAI. So I'm going to hit max. Okay, it's going to give me 95.27 VVAs, and that's based on the market price of the VVA. Okay, so I'm going to click swap token. It's going to approve the token. Okay, I'm going to click confirm. Transaction is completed. I'm going to close the extension. It's approving the swap right now. Okay, I'm going to confirm that swap. Transaction was submitted. Transaction is complete. I'm going to close the extension. Okay, swap was successful. You see that right there? Now it went to 0. Now if I go to stake, you're going to see right here, now I have that available VVA 90.544. Okay, so I swap the DAI for the VVA. And now what we're going to do is stake it. Again, $90 right here. I'm going to click confirm. It's completed. I'm going to click close extension. Okay, now it's approving it once more. Okay, I'm going to confirm it, but always wait till, you know, that load continues and you see transaction request. You're going to click confirm, submitted, completed, and I'm going to click wait till you get a check mark, close extension, and now token staked successfully. And if you look here now, it went into the 24 holding balance. You see the $90 right here. So now it's in a holding pattern. And after 24 hours from the time you staked it, you're going to want to come back and you're going to click claim. A pop-up will appear. You're going to confirm it again. And then from the claim, it's going to go into currently staked SVVA amount. So that's how you set up your wallet, you fund your wallet, you swap the DAI for the VVA, and how you stake your VVA tokens. Thank you.